Now, when I walk around with this, baby, it's mine. I grew it out my head. This is my hair. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tanisha, and I am here with another video. Hey girl, hey girl. In this video I will be talking about this wig right here, Panala hair. This hair is the Kinky Straight 4C Edge wig. This wig is phenomenal. This is an 18-inch wig. I cannot tell you honestly what density it is, but when I tell you guys, this hair is so full and beautiful. Trust me, full and beautiful. A couple of things that I like about this hair is that it mimics our regular hair. It mimics the yucky texture, I'll say. Kind of like if you go natural and you get a fresh blowout kind of thing without the extreme flat iron. It gives that kind of representation. Why doesn't that work? It mimics that in the texture of this hair. This hair is extremely soft. I think I already said it, but this is an 18-inch. So we see how far the 18 inches go. I am 5'3", it goes to my boobs, and it goes here on my back. A couple of things that I will tell you before I get too deep into this video is that I did bleach this hair. I did not pluck this hair at all, which is great for people who don't know how to pluck, because I know that can be a big headache. So with that, you do not have to pluck anything. Just bleach it and go. When it comes to the bleaching of this wig, do not leave your bleach on for an extremely long amount of time, because this hair is really fragile. It can really break if it is under too much of the bleaching process. With that, it will leave bald spots in your lace. You don't want that. I used a 30 volume developer. I did leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes before I decided that I wanted to rinse it out. And I did go in with my purple shampoo to tone the knots as well, and as you can see, it turned out phenomenal. The lace to this wig is an HD lace, which makes it super easy to install and makes it even easier to blend, especially if you are using a lace glue. I used the Almighty Bond. It is simple to remove when I'm ready to remove my wig. You can style this wig in any way that you like, except for if you're trying to do a deep part. But as far as this goes up top, you can style this wig in any way that you like. You can pull it up, pull it down, whatever you want to do to this wig, you can do it. As I showed you earlier in this video, I also used a high temperature to kind of tame it down a little bit, because it is a little poofy after you shampoo. After you shampoo this wig, the edges do turn a little bit different, which I like that, because they were a little bit more relaxed, as well as it made it look a little more realistic to me. I like that about it, because nobody walks around with their edges all balled up and super duper curly. So with that, it relaxes it. It makes it look as though it is your natural hairline. That is phenomenal. This hair is super full, and like I said, I did flat iron majority of it, and as you can see, it didn't go limp, it didn't burn. Plus for me, because baby, I like for my hair to be tamed a little bit. I like for it to look a little neat but a little messy at the same time, if that makes sense. All in all, this is a great wig. I recommend this wig. The other thing about this wig is the structure of the cap. I really want to highlight the structure of the cap, because that is one of the things that I really struggle with, and I really don't like about a lot of wigs, is that when you try to put your wig on, the wig lace is kind of connected in a weird kind of way to where you have to cut it around your ear. With this wig, you do not have to cut around your ear. You don't have to do that. The only thing is you clean up that lace that is touching this part of your ear, but for the most part, the wig cap itself is very comfortable on your head, and how it is shaped is to go around your ear so that it fits perfectly when you take it on, when you put it on and when you take it off. So that is another plus for me. You do have to be extremely careful when it comes to the knots in the front of this wig and on the lace part, because they do have it extremely small, which is another plus. The knots are extremely small in this wig, which makes it look more realistic and more easy to manage when you get ready to style it. As you saw, I did pull it up, I pulled it down. Like, you can do a lot of stuff with this wig. You can braid the front, like anything you want to do when it comes to this wig, as long as you get it to, I guess, the ear part of the top of your ear, like a basic half up, half down would do, and then it gives you more parting space in the top of your hair. I am really liking this 4C, or the, I'll say natural edges, because I really don't like the Kinky or the 4C. I really don't like saying that, to be honest. But I really like the natural edge thing that they have been doing with the wigs. That is a plus for me as well. All in all, I will say I definitely recommend this wig. I've said it once, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in this video. Baby, I recommend this wig. I definitely do. As you can see in the back, I did style it a little bit, and you cannot see a single track. That is another thing to this wig, because there are wefts on this wig. So with that, the wefts don't show because of the thickness of the hair, depending on how you want to style it. Perfect. Perfect. This hair is extremely soft. If somebody even were to try to be funny and walk up to you and touch it, they would not know. They'll just tell you your hair is soft and your hair is pretty. Unless they like all up in your lace, or you didn't blend your lace to your skin good enough, nobody will be able to know. So when I walk around with this, baby, it's mine. I grew it out my head. This is my hair. That being said, I don't have anything bad to say about this wig. I honestly cannot tell you a single con besides don't bleach it too much. Only con I have with this wig. Thank you to Panala Hair for sponsoring this video and allowing me to show off this beautiful wig. I really like it. I was originally just supposed to do a little side part, but I just couldn't resist but to style it. Cause baby, who just want to see a basic hairstyle with a wig like this? Not me. All the information to this wig will be in my description box. Make sure you go down there and you click the link. Also, on your way down there, do not forget to push that subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel. I am here. I am with the recommendations, with the wigs. Make sure you check me out if you are new here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.